In today's video, I show you how to quickly recover your Dropbox account if you've forgotten your password. First, go to dropbox.co and enter the email associated with your account. Click Continue, then below the password field, click Forgot your password. This takes you to the password reset page. Enter your email again and click Submit. Dropbox will send you an email with a reset password link. Open that email and click the link. It will take you back to Dropbox to set a new password. Choose a strong, unique password. Type it twice to confirm and click Submit. That's it. You can now log in with your new password. Remember to store it safely or use a password manager. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.